Hey Bruno. Well, Wally here. Guys, two things happened today. One, I bought a cordless grinder, 115mm, and two, I bought one of these mantle things. Stay tuned. Hear me out, right? This is a carving disc for a 4-inch grinder. This is a 4-inch grinder, Dewalt, fits my batteries. I have been using it, guys. What I am thinking is that this might be the game changer for skinning these logs. Skinning these logs is tough work, guys, and it really does take a long time. Getting in and around the knots, guys, there's a lot of knots on this thing, on these logs. What I'm thinking is that this might be easier. Look, it's light, it's easy, you know. I can use this for other things. I like shiny stuff. Let's try it. Let's see if it works. Let's see if I kill myself. It is aggressive. It is very aggressive. Very aggressive. Let's have a look at this on a log that I've already been working on. See if we're getting into these hard to reach bits. It's effective. I wonder how long it would take to skin a log, but to do the whole thing. I'm sure there's a learning curve with this, guys, as there is with everything. Whoa. That is super aggressive, super aggressive. You really got to watch yourself doing that. I don't know if this is what I think it is. Okay, that's just a little bit mental, to tell you the truth. It definitely has a habit of just flying out of your hands when it hits something. Yeah, look. Eats batteries for a living, guys. Absolutely eats batteries for a living. Now that was an almost full battery. It didn't get a lot of use today now. So look, I'll just keep going and see if it's worthwhile. It might, maybe in conjunction with the draw knife, it might be a better thing, in that you draw what you can, and then when you come to the hard bits, or the bits around the knots and stuff like that, or the bits around the branches, you get this bad boy out and you give it a go. Let's run it out of battery anyway. Guys, 6 minutes. I've been at that less, and she's almost done. Guys, let me check something. Hang on. No, not at all. Not at all what I thought it was going to do. It's very aggressive, very hard to control. Yeah, but for the likes of these hollow bits, where you can't get the where you can't get the draw knife in, probably would work quite well. But hey, nonetheless, new tool there. Woo! See, like these bits here, where it's hollow. Seems to work best going like this as well. Like here. Yeah, I'm out of battery. Do you know, I have some really heavy gauge flappy discs over there. They might work just as well. So guys, the what is it called? Where's my box? The OBA grinding disc, guys, from Amazon is not the game changer that I thought it was going to be. It is super aggressive and sort of hard to control. So anyway, guys, I'll put the link in Focus. I will put the link in the description. Thanks for watching. Stay frosty. Batteries are hot.